this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacks Beach, and today we're on the all-new 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX. I'm going to go through the boat and show you some of the key features on this boat that really make this a standout boat on the water. Starting back here in the transom, you have a 300 horsepower Mercury motor that powers this boat, gives you plenty of power to do any of your activities out in the water. As we move back off this swim platform, you'll notice you have tons of space back here, so you can access the dock from either side of the boat. Gives you great access to the boat. As we move into the main salon area, you'll notice this boat has a huge sun pad in the back. And if you want to extend the sun pad out so you have more of a lounging surface, this headrest just simply drops down. Gives you great sun pad back here in the back section. As we enter the main salon area, you'll notice tons of seating for all your family and friends, as well as these seating arrangements up here by the captain, the co-captain's chairs will fold back and forth, so you're not sacrificing a seat here in the main salon area. Here at the helm, you'll notice this boat comes equipped with 2 SIMRADs, as well as digital switching on board and redundant switching here on the panel. One of the great features on this boat is the small cabin that comes with the new 270 that just got launched. Has a nice small cabin, as well as a pump out and fully macerated head below. As we move up into the bow section, you'll notice that there's tons of space up here in the bow. That gives you, again, redundancy throughout the whole boat. You have tons of space and storage under all these seats. As well, up here in the bow, you notice this boat comes equipped with the windlass, as well as a bow boarding ladder, so you can board from either the bow or the stern. Truly an exceptional boat on the water. It offers tons of capabilities for either family or friends or just any sporting activities in the water. Would love for you to come out to MarineMax and check this boat out. My name's Will Porter. Please let me know if you have any questions. We'd love to see you soon. Thank you so much.